Ladies and gentlemen, in case you have noticed, they use Moses, aka to speeches and Jerry, break it down. So today we are on Euro NZD, okay, and we want to analyze the chart from higher time frame to lower time frame, just as we always do, okay. So in your higher time frame, you want to make sure you draw your key levels. Key levels are area of support and resistance. A weak rejection, reversal point. They're very important. So the first thing to do is to draw your key level. So now, let's draw our key level. Okay, we'll be marking a lot of key levels in this video. Okay, we'll be marking a lot of key levels. Okay, why do I call this a key level? Because, I need to zoom in. I'm sorry. Because look at this spot. The market makes some rejection here. You see, the market makes some rejection. Okay, then let's continue moving it. Look at it here again. Okay, you see those rejection again? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. So you see those rejection happening there, then in here again. Okay, so those are area of key levels. You see, it makes it a support, a resistance here. It's a resistance at the spot, a resistance here, then break it, then turn it to a support here, a support here. So that is a key level, okay? And you want to note it in case you want to be trading. Those are places you need to enter your trade, and you need to, follow the trend, okay? So the first thing to do is to mark all your key levels when you're on higher time frame. All your key levels first, okay? So let's continue marking those key levels. Okay, so let's continue marking those key levels. So another key level will be at the spot. Yeah. So you move it, US 10. You're marking all this key level for future sake. Okay, you're marking it for future sake because most times you might want to trade, but you don't need to analyze the market anymore because you already did. So you just need to look at your chart and look at all those key levels you've drawn. Then check out if the market has gotten there. So once the market got there, you just enter your trade. Okay, just go to your lower time frame, then you enter your trade. Now look at it. Areas of support. So the support. You see, it's all turned into support. Then in future time, you might turn it to resistance point. Okay, so that area of support, you want to note it. You note it down because those are places you'll be entering the market in the nearest future. So let's just keep marking the key levels. We are breaking it down from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So look at this support again. Look at that side. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Yes. A lot of weak rejection is happening there on that key zone. A lot of weak rejection is happening there. Because number one, this is a support, then break it, turns it to a resistance here, then break it again, touch another key level at the top here, then touch this support, then turn this once a resistance, turning it to support, and this resistance keep being a resistance, they eventually break that resistance to touch another resistance at top, then make this a support here. Yeah, you see it, and a support here, and the market is currently there. So if you want to analyze, if you want to enter the trade, all you need to do is to go to lower time frame. But before we, go to lower time frame, I need to draw the trend support and resistance. Okay, I need to draw the trend support and resistance. Oh, sorry about that. That was another thing I was doing. Oh, sorry about this as well. I need to let me erase this. Okay, so here is my trend support. Okay, let's mark our trend support like this. Okay, trend support says it's an uptrend market. This is an uptrend market according to the trend support. And let's draw the resistance as well. Okay, 2 touches is okay. 2 touches is okay. So we're still an uptrend market, but you need to check out whatever trend the market is moving. This is an uptrend market before, so let's look at the current trend of the market here. Okay, let's look at it from here. Look at it there. This is a downtrend market, isn't it? Oh, I'm sorry. Trading view, using trading view on phone is always a bit stressful. It's somehow, it acts normal, sometimes spreads itself. So that's why I'm having all this crazy don't touch that I'm having. So I'm sorry for that. So bear with me. So here is our resistance. Another resistance here. You see another one here. The first one here. The second one here. So this resistance in higher time frame is showing that this is a downtrend market. The market is moving downward. Now let's draw the support. Can you see that the market is moving downward? So if the market is moving downward, you'll be looking for opportunity to sell. Previously, the market is an uptrend market from here, okay? Oh, let me drop this down. So previously, the market is moving downward. What is wrong with this trading view? I think I'll be using the system now. So look at it. The market is moving upward from here. Upward from here. You see? Then it touches the resistance and started changing its trend to the downside. Okay? So let me delete this. So since it changes its trend to the downside, that means you want to be looking for opportunity to sell. Okay? So you need to go to the lower time frame. So once you get to the lower time frame, all you need to do is look for opportunity to sell. So now let's go to the lower time frame. Lower time frame, starting from 15 minutes to 5 minutes, you understand? Even 1 minute. But I do not recognize the 1 minute. I do not recommend it. So I don't like using it. So let's go to 5 minutes, for a clear entry. This is GBP/NZD. Yeah. So a place to sell, that's what we'll be looking for. And that doesn't restrict you from marking key levels in lower time frame as well. So let's just mark key levels in the lower time frame. So remember, those are reversal point, key levels. Can you see? What do I call it key levels? There's a lot of weak rejection at that point. A lot of weak rejection. So you see it there? Yeah, is a support, a support, then went up, then break it eventually, touch this support, then touch it again, making it a resistance. Remember, it's a support, but now that's turned to a resistance. So you're looking for an opportunity to sell. So these kind of resistance port are the port you're going to be selling, okay? Now look at it. I need to remove this arrow, okay? So look at it. That port you need to sell. You take your sell here, your sell position there, then you wait till the market touch this spot. So this is an opportunity for you to sell. Look at this. Once you see a bullish engulf candlestick, you enter the market. Okay? A bullish engulf candlestick. And look at what happened. You saw that? You see that bullish engulf candlestick? Yeah. That bullish engulf. You see? You just open your position, then you wait to get to your TP. Okay? You see, currently the market is moving. It's moving to the downside because you're selling. And here is going to be where your TP is going to be. Yeah, your TP will be here. This key level. And remember there's always a stop loss. Your stop loss will be a little bit below here. Can you see this place? That will be where your stop loss is. And your TP is going to be here. Every opportunity to sell, remember? That's what I'm looking for. So that's how to analyze the chart, and mark key levels and draw support and resistance. Even you can trade with just key levels. You can trade with just key levels without using any indicator. You can trade with it. It's an easy way to do. A simple thing to do. So you see how I analyze this chart from my hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. From the 1 hour time frame, analyze it down to the lower time frame, which is the 5 minute time frame. The first thing I did was to mark my key levels. Then I draw the trend support, the resistance. The former trend support shows an uptrend. Then the current support trend shows a downtrend. Then I went to my lower time frame. Since it's a downtrend, I want to be looking for opportunity to sell. I went to lower time frame like 5 minutes. Then I draw another support and resistance. And here I noted the resistance. Then I sold. So your stop loss will be a little bit above. TP will be below. So that's how to analyze the chart. So please do me a favor, click the subscribe button, like this video, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.